Please grow problem to problem. In one of the examination, this problem is given. He is asking static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Let's try. Let's try here. Into A is equal to 3. It is a very tricky problem. Please check. Int A is equal to 3. Next one. N of x. Don't worry about that. Don't worry about the syntax. N of int x. N of int x. Careful. N of int x. Inside x is equal to x into a. Printf x. I am expecting answer from you. I don't know how many people will give. Next one. M of y. M of y. Next one. Into a is equal to 1. A is equal to y minus a. A is equal to y minus a. Next one. N of a is called. Next one. Printf a is called. Printf a is called. Be careful with this problem. Be careful with this problem. Next, main is called. Main. M of a is called. Next one, this is n of int y is called. Yeah, be careful. What is the answer for this problem? In one of your previous paper, this question is given. Static scoping, what is the answer? Dynamic scoping, what is the answer? Sir, can you please little bit say about garbage value in unassigned value of a variable in stack? Yeah, you will see that. Further, that only we will discuss. Can you concentrate on this problem? What is the output of this program for static scoping, dynamic scoping? Remember, static scoping means C program. If you don't say anything, then go for static scoping. If he says something, then go for whatever he said. Whatever he will say, please do. If you don't say, go to static scoping. Whatever he will say, please do. If you don't say, do static scoping. See, not only attending the class, please try. Not only attending the class, please try. Please try. You don't find out this one in any book also. You may not find this in any book. In any book, you don't find it. Please get it here itself. First, to try static scoping. First, to try static scoping. Yeah, be careful. I will give the answer. First, to do static scoping. Next, we will do dynamic scoping. Try static scoping first. Can I give answer? Yeah, let me start the answer. Let me start the answer. Everyone listen. You may do small mistake. You may do small mistake. So please careful everyone. Observe. Observe now. Static scoping I am doing. Static scoping I am doing. First step. First step. First step. Compile entire program. First step. Compile entire program. So static area memory will allocate for a global variable. So A3000. First compile this program for a global variable memory will allocate. Okay, done. Listen, done. Right? Global variable memory allocated. Remember, I am doing static scoping. After static, I will do dynamic also. After static, I will do dynamic also. Let me do static. Now run the program. Program running will start from main program. Program will start from main program. Okay, main. Can you see the answer? In the main, this is the main. Everyone observe. Very interesting question. Very interesting question. In the main, M of A. Can anyone help you now? Is he local variable? Is he local variable or global variable or free variable? M of A. I am doing static scoping. Remember everyone, I am doing static scoping. I am doing static scoping. M of A. This A is a local variable or global variable or free variable. This A is a local variable or global variable or free variable. What is the answer? Free variable. Free variable means static scoping, dynamic scoping, both will come. If it is a static scoping, global variable. So this will be taken. This will be taken. So A value 3. M of A. This A is a free variable. Static scoping, dynamic scoping. So remember everyone, program execution will start from main. Main itself having free variable. Before main, who is there? Global. So everyone remember this, right? In the main, program execution will start from main. Main itself free variable, where he can go. Who is there before? Who is there before? Before main, only static area. Before main, in the stack, no one is there. Static area. Remember, in the main itself, if you have a free variable, static scoping also you will go to global variable. Dynamic scoping also you will go to global variable, because before main, no one there. Before main, except to global variable, who is there? No one there. So main itself, if you have a free variable, right? My request is main itself having free variable. My request is global variable you have to use in the static scoping also, dynamic scoping also. Let's concentrate now static scoping. So M of A is a free variable. Static scoping, global variable. So A3. Listen everyone now. A3. 3 is going. M function 3 going. See this one. 3 going. Remember, a variable is going means variable is not going. Its value going. A variable is going means variable cannot walk. Variable cannot run. Its value going. Whenever you say variable going, variable cannot go. Variable cannot walk. Variable is not a human to walk. Right? Variable going means variable value going. Some people are asking value going. Sir, where it will store, sir? M function, okay, but where it will store? So that's what I am saying. So value coming to store that value into y, one local variable you created. See this one? M function. From here you called it is a M function. But inside the M function into y, it is a declaration. For the variable y, memory will allocate. Address of this one is 2000. But inside y, what is there? I think the value whatever came, it will store. It will store 3. Whenever you say into y, memory will allocate. So inside that memory, what will store? Whatever came, it will store. Now observe clearly. In the main function, one story going on. Can you observe? Int A is equal to 1. A also created. Address is 3000. Now see the answer. A is equal to y into A. Remember, variable means inside. From today onwards, remember, if I say variable name inside, right? I think y value 3, A value 1, A value 1. So A is equal to 3 minus 1. It became 2. So this line is completed. This line is completed. Next one, n of A. N of A. What is the A as of now? 2. 2 will go. Variable going means, right, value going 2. So now n function I will go. When I go to n function, in the n function, see this one, 2 going, 2 going, 2 going. Who is the receiver? X. One local variable X created. Value coming is 2. 2 coming. Address of this one is 3000. It's the current status. Now go inside. Everyone listen. X is equal to, it's a very, very important one. X is equal to X into A. X already 2. X already 2. So X is equal to X into 2 into. What is the A? Remember, you are using A which is not declared. You are using one variable A which is not declared. It is a free variable. Static scoping, global variable. So 3 will be. Right, you are using one variable which is not declared. It is a free variable, static scoping, global variable. So these 3. So this area, this 3. So 2 into 3 becomes 6. So that will be stored in the local variable X. It became 6. It became 6. So this line is over. Printf X. What is the answer? 6 will be printed wherever you are. That will be printed. So what is the answer? Static scoping 6 will be printed first. Okay, after printing is over, see the interesting answer. After printing over, I came to here. After printing is over, I came to here. Means this function is completed. Remember, this function completed means it will be popped out of the stack. When it see the closed bracket, right, it is popped out of the stack. Popped out of the stack means when you pop this one, in the stack, whatever is there below, you will go there. What do you mean? From which place you came, that place you will go. Whenever you say pop, from which place you came, that place you will go. That means what purpose you came, that is completed. See, third line purpose I came, it is completed. If you see the fourth line, print A, how many people will you? You are in the M function. In the M function, any local variable A there. Yes, A value 2, A value 2. So 2 printed. So this also completed, and once again bracket came. Once again bracket. So this function also completed, means popped out. Then when you popped out, you will go to from which place you came. You came to here, from here. You will go there. Now I will go to main program. In the main program, after this line, nothing there. So main also closed bracket came. So main also popped out. Remember, if main also popped out at the end, so program is over. Remember everyone now. Program over. Right? Global variable also will go. Global variable will go last. Global variable will go last. Global variable will go last. Are you getting? Answer is 6.2 will be printed. Answer is 6.2 will be printed. Because here, if you see the M function, right? Y minus A. What is the Y? 3. What is A? 1. 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 will goes to A. A contain 2. So 6.2 will be printed static scoping. Are you okay with the static scoping? Remember, global variable will come first. Global variable will come first. He will go last. Global variable will come first, but it will go last. It will come first, but it will go last. Right? Global variable, like, listen, global variable is like in big companies, watchman kind of person. Global variable is like in the big companies, watchman kind of thing. You know watchman, what he will do? Right? Before office starting, he will come. Global variable is like watchman kind of thing. What he will do exactly? Before, right? Before starting the office, he only will come first. Comparing all the people, watchman will come first. He will go last. If the office is 10 o'clock, watchman will come at right? Watchman will come at 6 o'clock. If office is 10 o'clock, watchman will come at 6 o'clock, or maybe 7 o'clock. Right? So remember, right? Global variable is almost like watchman. He will come first. He will go last. Some people are asking, sir, why is coming first, sir? Why is going last? The reason is anyone can use global variable. Maybe n, right? Function n can use. function m can use, function main can use, anyone can use. Because of he knows that anyone can use him, so he will come first and he will go late also, because anyone can use. Last person also can use global variable, right? So some people are asking when the global variable will create. Starting only. Starting means at what time? Compile time. Why? What is the reason? When as soon as you start running, maybe in the main program, first place itself he will be there. In the main program, first place itself, global variable may be used. Global variable can be used anyone, anywhere. That is the reason global variable will allocate memory, compile time itself in the static area. By default, global variable is static area, by default 0 value. By default means if you don't store anything. Some people are asking, sir, in the static area, if you don't initialize anything, by default 0 you are saying. Sir, in the stack area, if you don't initialize anything, what the by default? Remember, stack area is a very big area. If you don't initialize anything, by default garbage. By default garbage will be there. Garbage means previous value, right? By default, local variable memory will be allocated in the stack area, but by default that is garbage. Garbage means previous programmer content. Previous programmer in this memory, whatever he kept, as it is will be there. Previous programmer kept in this memory what? That only will be there. That is called garbage. See, to me, your values are garbage. To you, someone else contents are garbage. So when I start writing program, previous programmer also taken this memory, he kept his content. To me, that is a garbage. So remember, if right, for a local variable, memory will allocate in the stack area. By default local variable value, by default garbage, because local variables can be many, but global variables are very less. Everyone I cannot give 0. Few people I can do decoration, right? Keeping 0 means something like a decoration. If you are okay with the static scoping, can I go to dynamic scoping? If you okay with static scoping, can I go to dynamic scoping? Right? Please let me know fast. Static scoping, if you are okay, I will go to dynamic scoping. Same only, some small change. Same only, small change. If you follow correctly my notes, whatever I am teaching, if you correctly follow, directly from notes will come. Directly it will come from notes. Please use properly. Yeah, now I am doing dynamic scoping. Everyone listen dynamic scoping. Dynamic scoping, everyone listen. One more time, same story going on. One more time, same story going on. Can you listen? Dynamic scoping. First one, compile the program. Static area memory will allocate A3. Address is 1000. Now take the stack. Main is called. Everything same except a few places. Can you see in the main program? Everyone observe in the main program. First line m of a, right? When you call a main function, push. In the main function first line, m of a. What is this a? Free variable. Scope problem. Then what is the meaning of dynamic scoping? Dynamic scoping means previous. You only say before main who they. Before main who they. Right? Before main other than global variable no one. So remember, main function itself having scope problem. Static scoping means global variable, okay. Dynamic scoping means previous. Who is previous to main? No one. So remember, right? So dynamic scoping also for the main function, right? So previous means global only. So remember, A means 3 only, because before main only global there. A is 3 only. Now see the answer, m of 3. 3 going. Remember, right? Variable going means variable not going. Its value going. Its value going. So m function. So 3 came. 3 came. Now, because of only value coming, where it will store, right? At the receiving end, memory should create. So m function, okay, right? M of into y. Because of the declaration, again memory will allocate. The value which is coming is 3. Address of that one is 2000. 2000 memory location. So this variable y created. Okay. Next one, can you help int a is equal to 1. It is a declaration. A also created. Address of this one is 3000. Now a value is 1. That is also okay. A value 1. That is also okay. Now can you see the second line? Can you see the second line? So inside the m function, there are two local variables. One is y. Another one is a. I am changing the color also. Inside m function, there are two local variables. Y also there, a also there. What is the y value? Remember, variable means inside. y3. y3. What is the a? Right, a also local. What is the a? Local, right? When you say variable inside 1, 3 minus 1 is 2. 2 will goes to which place? A only, right? Local variable a. So this is replaced by 2. So till now this is also completed. Can you see the third line? Can you see the third line? Everyone listen third line. Everyone listen third line. So n of a. What is the a value? 2. 2 going. Where it is going? Here. Remember, value only going. Remember, value only going. So int x memory will allocate. What is the answer? X. So what is the answer? Int x, right? Function name is n. N function, int x means memory will allocate. The value whatever came is 2 came. It will store. Address of this one is 4000. Until now, no problem. Can you see inside? First line, x is equal to x into a. Can you help x is equal to x into means, I think this n function inside x is now only created. Already local variable 2 there. So x is 2. But interesting thing is, you are using a inside this function, nowhere a available. It is a free variable. Dynamic scoping means from which place you can see. Here a not there. Dynamic scoping from which place? From here you can go and check. Do you have a2 there? Do you have a2 there? Because of it, the dynamic scoping, you have to go to previous. A value 2 there. So 2 into 2, 4 will goes to x. Now x contain 4. This is over. Can you see the second line? Print x. 4 will be printed. After these two lines over, n function, see, closed bracket came. N function over. So it is popped out. Whenever it is popped out, control will come back. Then go to n function. When you say control came back, means you came here. So this line also completed. Can you see the last line? In the n function, can you see the last line? Print a local variable there. Remember, print a local variable there. See, I am in the n function, print a local variable 2 there. So 2 will be printed. After 2 printing is over, closed bracket, then m function also popped out. Whenever m function is over, control will come back from which place you came. In the main program I am now. I came to main program. In the main program, first line purpose I came, first line over. Then main also over. Then main also popped out. Whenever you say main is popped out, everyone is over. Lastly, static variable will say, I am also going. Ready, sir, I am also going. Going. Static variable saying that everyone over, I am also over. So static scoping answer is 6-2. Dynamic scoping answer is 4-2.